mere 6% was added to minimum wage, and that is excluding farm work. My name is Makosi Anita Tau, and join Cinicent Media as we discover, unfold, expose, and explore exactly what minimum wage has manifested into, which is modern-day slavery.
Am I the one who goes to a play?
He proposed to me, he wants to meet me, but I'm thinking, what's the rush? I thought you said you want a man, here's a man.
Is this how you're gonna treat me when we're married?
What do you need? Go for someone to say what order.
Get the rest.
Hey, Kabola.
Raobola man.
Get away.
You're so insecure on the ground.
Yes, because I love you.
And I'm You said you love me.
Laura Serurubele Itaya Mohuma Uhule Tobo Inti Barobi Khabayo. You're the vision foretold by rainmakers, storytellers that dance to the threads of rainbows leading us to the pot of gold. Serurubele Same Laura. Laura Serurubele. Once locked in the captivity of a cocoon, your thirst for growth hardened the edges of your spirit. Like a bud with missing petals, you retraced the story of your blossom. Kajaloche, you will never be forgotten. Laura Serurubele. Give your wings a go at flying. Remember, the brain print of intellect is scarce. Be fireful. Don't be watered down by what's to come. If it be ashes that you become, remember to embrace the phoenix in